Welcome to Chaos Core Tech. My name's Garrett.
And I'm Chelsea.
We make things.
But that's pretty vague, so here's some fun projects we've made.
We do a lot of 3D modeling using Blender, ZBrush, and Fusion 360.
Then we use different forms of 3D printing to bring them to life.
And of course, we use many methods of post-processing, including sanding, painting, resin pours, and occasionally even electronics.
You know what, we could keep trying to explain what we do, but it's just easier to show you.
You can click the eye in the corner over here or look down below to see what we do here at Chaos Core Tech. So thank you for watching, and until next time,
Keep creating.